All right, when you're doing your install, there's a piece you need to make sure you don't throw away that you transfer from your old OEM foam to the new Durofoam cushion, which is this center piece here that looks like an X. This is what directs the air throughout the cushion, so it's not just coming up straight through the center port. This will come off the old foam. It's held down by some glue. Usually some of these tabs are glued down onto the old foam. Plus there will be some extra pieces that go over top. Just peel these pieces off to get down to expose this piece. This will come out of the old foam. This is what needs to transfer over. So once you got this out, you get your new Durofoam, you shoot this down here. You can glue some on these tabs if you want to. It's not that necessary because you have these new pieces. These have an adhesive back that peels, and then you line it up over the top and stick it down. Should be like that, and then this would be like that. So now it's going to be just like your original one was, but you're going to save yourself a lot of money by transferring that over. If your piece is completely messed up and is all degraded and you can't use it again, you can buy it from GM, but I think it's pretty expensive. I think it's $100 and some change for this new piece. So save yourself some money, transfer this from your old foam to the new Durofoam with these new two pieces to top over it. You'll be good to go.